Welcome to the future of DJI box operation. Today I'm very excited to introduce you the new generation, DJI Dock 3. Designed to push the boundaries of what's possible in drone technology, DJI Dock 3 brings even more advanced features and reliabilities to your operation. My name is Irving, Solutions Engineer at DJI Enterprise. Happy to be your Dock 3 guide. Let's kick things off with DJI Dock 3 innovative mobile deployment capabilities. The drone can launch and land from a backup pickup trunk. It's a game changer for one fixed setup just won't do. A great tool for emergency operations or on-demand inspections. When you arrive on the site, park the car, leave it at the same spot, and the drone can be easily configured and launched from FlightHub 2. Let's take a closer look at the new dock. You can see a small but significant design decision, a 8 degrees tilt to the cover. This prevents the buildup of freezing rain, ensuring that your Dock 3 remains operational even in the harshest environments. The DJI Dock 3 has an IP56 rating and has expanded the temperature range from -20 to 45 degrees on Dock 2 to an impressive -30 to 50 degrees. Additionally, we've significantly improved the sealing system, which not only enhances the overall sealing condition of the cabin, but also boosts its thermal performance. For instance, even when the external temperature drops to -21 degrees, the internal temperature can be maintained as a comfortable 15 degrees. What's more, potting protection and high protection cable connectors, ensuring excellent water and dust resistance. And we've introduced a new external RTK antenna. This innovative addition not only enables a faster RTK convergence, but actually relaxes the deployment conditions. For example, Dock 3 could be deployed next to a building wall. But what really set Dock 3 apart is its ability to open and fly. After one click takeoff on FlightHub 2, the drone can take off within 15 seconds and can be ready at 100-meter altitude within 100 seconds. This rapid deployment capabilities is important for emergency tasks where every second counts. Now, let's switch our focus to aircraft itself. The DJI Dock 3 is compatible with two drones, the Matrice 4D and the Matrice 4TD. Both have an IP55 rating and include a laser rangefinder module. When conducting infrastructure inspections or emergency response, the ability to share pinpoint coordinates in real time to the team members can significantly enhance the collaboration and operational efficiency. For optimizing inspections at various distances or getting a closer look on the scene, the 3 and 7x telecameras can be used. The 3x mid-level zoom creates a smooth experience for operators and allows full resolution photo without backing the drone up or getting closer to the one would like. And the license plate can be seen at 250 meters. The M4D is equipped with 4:3 CMOS lens with 0.5 second interval shutter time, while the M40D has a smaller wide camera. It adds a 640 by 512 thermal cameras and a near-infrared auxiliary light with night scene mode, which can be used to improve the visibility in the low-light scenarios. When it comes to performance, the wind resistance capabilities has been increased from 8 meters per second to an impressive 12 meters per second during takeoff and land. This means in environment with strong wind, such as solar farms and construction sites, the DJI Dock 3 can keep working, enhancing the usability and efficiency even in the challenging conditions. The Matrice 4D series are also available as a standalone package with a complete drone case and charging hub, ensuring that you are fully equipped with your mobile missions. This allows operators to start with the drones and add the dock later on. What's more, the Matrice 4D series when paired with DJI RC Plus 2 Enterprise remote controller, introduces an innovative onboard relay function. The feature enables one drone to serve as a relay, extending the operational range of another. It ensures a long-distance video transmission, making it possible for challenging scenarios like search and rescue in the mountains. But we didn't stop at just a better dock and better drones. The Dock 3, integrated with intelligent capability, is now smarter than ever. Let's see what Dock 3 can do. The DJI Dock 3 features real-time detection, which can be optionally activated during the missions. These advanced features allows automatically highlight and count items such as vehicle and boats, displaying the total numbers of detected objects in real time. This capability is crucial for applications like drone as a first responder, providing immediate and actionable insights. Another interesting feature is change detection. When two images are captured from the same angle and position, the DJI FlightHub 2 automatically highlights the differences between them and generates a detailed report. This is particularly useful in construction management and parking lot management, where changes over time can provide a crucial information for the decision-making. Automated roads. This feature allows you to integrate detection and action into planned flight routes by FlightHub 2. For example, during a waypoint mission, if the detection criteria is met or specific temperature value is exceeded, the drone can automatically take photos, start video recording, or pause and alert you to take manual control. This is not only enhances the efficiency of data collection, but also ensures that you capture the most relevant and important information. This feature is ideal for operations such as security patrol, where the drone will fly a set routes on a regular basis and the detection of anomalies is critical. These smart features of DJI Dock 3 are designed to enhance your operational capabilities, providing you with the tools to make informed decisions and execute mission with precision and efficiency. Let's explore the accessory updates that comes with DJI Dock 3, enhancing its capabilities in the field. DRTK 3 offers centimeter-level positioning for the drones. It features signal relay capabilities and can be effectively deployed at a high location to solve the signal blocking issues, significantly enhancing the transmission distance and relaxing the deployment conditions for the dock. And a base attachment is available to mount the DRTK 3 and provide a PoE port for the constant power supply. You can deploy the system by either connecting to a new third port on the dock or supplying the power by yourself and deploy it at a different location. Obstacle sensing module. It's equipped with millimeter wave radar and hybrid solid-state LiDAR. Ensures precise obstacle avoidance and operational safety, even in the complex and changing environment, such as power distribution line and substations. Spotlight and speaker. The DJI AL1 Spotlight offers both constant and strobe illumination modes, ensuring clear visibility of targets at significant distance. It intelligently syncs with the gimbal for precise tracking. Complementing this, the DJI AS1 speaker, which can be used at the same time, boasts a powerful broadcast range of up to 300 meters. It supports at various communication modes, including broadcast, recorded message, media import, text-to-speech, enhancing the efficiency and flexibility of your operation. Now, let's talk about system safety and regulatory compliance. At DJI, product compliance is our top priority. The Dock 3 is equipped with the new DJI flight termination system, featuring communication redundancy to enhance the flight safety and ensure regulatory compliance. On the software side, the geocaching function integrates with FTS and is now accessible directly from FlightHub 2 in applicable regions. We are actively collaborating with notified body on EU C-Class marking for the DJI Dock 3, further demonstrating our dedication to maintain high standards of quality and safety. We have add-on PSDK mount position at the rear of the aircraft, and the ePort Lite interface supports the connection of a third-party parachutes. Soon, third-party partners will have available parachute options for you. We will continue to support critical flight safety functions for beyond visual line-of-sight operations across the globe, including custom flight area, air sense, obstacle data, and fail-safes. To further assist with compliance, we've also developed DJI documentation templates for Dock 3. These templates, including detailed safety features explanation, are designed to help the user to present DJI system capabilities in a more accurate manner, ensuring a smooth process to obtain the flight permissions. Contact your local dealers to download documentation templates for free. And finally, let's address another important topic, data security, which DJI has put efforts in the long term. Our public cloud platform, DJI FlightHub 2, has obtained ISO 27001 certification, issued by British Standards Institution, which proves that the design, development, and operational services of DJI FlightHub 2 comply with information security management standards. Moreover, we have recently obtained ISO 27701 certification, which focuses on data privacy management, and demonstrates our commitment for protecting personal information and ensuring privacy compliance. We are committed to providing a comprehensive suite of options to meet different data security requirements of our end users. In conclusion, the DJI Dock 3 is more than just a product update. It represents a comprehensive optimization of our overall solution, seamlessly integrating intelligent technology. While enhancing performance, it also ensures a greater regulatory compliance and data security. Thank you very much for joining us on this journey. We are very excited to see how DJI Dock 3 will empower you to achieve more. Stay tuned with more updates and be sure to subscribe our channel for more latest drone trends.